Hey guys, Chad here. So as the old saying goes, the riches are in the niches. And that's why in this video, I'll be showing you what I think are some of the most profitable niches to go into for 2022. And no, these aren't the niches that you see every day on YouTube, like the keto diet, weight loss, make money online, or anything like that. All these niches have low competition and high demand. They all have really good affiliate products to promote inside of them. And best of all, they will all be around for the next decade or more. Plus, I'll even be showing you real examples of affiliates who are making over $10,000 per month in these 7 niches so you can model them for yourself. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. All right, so the first and most obvious niche is gonna be the crypto and metaverse niche. Now, what I would do in this niche is I would go out there a very specific topic around cryptocurrency, whether that's specifically NFTs, the metaverse, maybe it's specifically crypto trading, crypto bot trading, right? You kind of get the point. You want to pick a very specific topic inside of the crypto market. And I want to show you an example of one of my friends, Chris. Now, I met Chris back in 2017. We actually met at a crypto conference and we both did Amazon FBA at the time. So we kind of knew each other from that. And you know, at the time, if I go back, I'm gonna go back and filter out like his older videos. So as you can see, just a couple months ago, like 5 months ago, he was talking about, you know, Amazon FBA because that's a business model he does. As you see, he's getting like 170 views, 200 views, 150 views. And these are like 40-minute videos. And, you know, this is a guy who actually knows what he's talking about. But again, he was putting out all kinds of really valuable videos around Amazon FBA, but he was barely getting any views, right? 200 views, 500 views, until he started to switch up his content, right? You can see this is just 5 months ago. And all of a sudden, you know, around 4 months ago from today, he started making his first kind of crypto videos on the channel. And as you can see, he literally went from 600 views to 418,000 views just from switching up the topic of the video. Or for example, if we keep going down, right, we have 116,000 views. We have 151,000 views talking about how to buy and stake a specific cryptocurrency, right? As you see, ever since he started changing up the topics of his videos, his channel has literally just blew up, and his channel even passed mine in subscribers. And you can see just from this example how much of a difference it makes when you start talking about more trending niches when you're first starting out with affiliate marketing, right? So when you're first starting out, the best thing you can do is go after a trending niche that you have experience in or that you have some sort of interest in and want to talk about, you want to give value around. And also you want to promote products around. So if you literally just search in crypto affiliate programs, you can search in metaverse affiliate programs, you can search in NFT affiliate programs, and you're going to see all kinds of products that you can promote that's going to relate to the topics of these videos. So I know Chris does promote a few products, like for example, I know he promotes some staking products, or maybe it's hardware to store your cryptocurrency. So he's an affiliate for all kinds of that stuff. And I know this channel alone, you know, it went from making him maybe a couple $1,000s per month to now earning him anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 per month just from this niche alone. The second niche I want to talk about today is going to be in a CPA niche. So this is a niche that a lot of people like just don't talk about on YouTube at all. I actually made a video on this recently, and as you can see, this guy is the auto advisor of TikTok, and he makes all kinds of videos around, you know, what to do before buying a car, the worst thing you can do in a car dealership. He gives you tips when it comes to signing up for auto loans, right? So he just kind of gives all kinds of value when it comes to making car buying decisions, which is pretty much something everyone goes through, right? So he gets a massive reach, he gets a massive amount of views. And if you look at the link in his bio, as you can see, he says, get a free copy of my new ebook on dealer scams. And if we go through his funnel, you can see he eventually sells you a course on the best way to buy a car. Now, again, if you're an affiliate and you don't have a course, or again, we can promote the course he's promoting, there's also all kinds of other products we can promote in this niche. So for example, we can use a funnel like this and we can promote an auto loan. And if you just type in auto loan affiliate programs, you can see there's all kinds of different ones. And a lot of them will pay you anywhere from, you know, $5 to $30 per lead that you give them per application for the loan. So if you can get all kinds of applications going through your affiliate links signing up, you're going to see all kinds of commissions coming in. And especially with this niche, right, it has such a massive reach. You know, 7 million views, 383,000 views. If you just get 1% of the views he's getting right now, you can probably make anywhere from, you know, $100 to $200 per day in commissions. So anyways, like I said, I made a full video about this specific strategy, and we actually built the funnel and stuff like that. So if you want to see that full entire strategy just for this niche alone, just click the card on the top of the screen here and you'll be able to watch that full video on this specific niche. All right, so the third niche is going to be making content around a specific state or a big city. Now, this is a niche that I think it has a lot of potential, but a lot of people just aren't doing it. So I'm going to show you an example of someone who I've been following for a while. This is back when I was thinking about moving to Arizona, and I found this guy's channel. And if we look at this, as you can see, the channel is called Living in Arizona Now. And what he does is he makes all kinds of content around different things you should know before moving to Arizona, or different things around Arizona. So if we just go to his most popular videos so you can see what's really getting views, you know, 1 million views. Why are people leaving Arizona? 7 hidden Arizona small towns. Best small towns in Arizona. Things not to do in Arizona. Worst places to live in Arizona. Or you can see the top 5 places to live in Arizona, right? And he's just making content around all these different topics around Arizona. And what this does is it attracts an audience of not only people who live in Arizona, but it also attracts an audience to his channel, these 97,000 subscribers. A lot of those people are people in other states or other cities who are thinking about moving to Arizona. And you might be thinking, well, Chad, how can you monetize a niche like this? Sure, he might make a couple thousand per month from YouTube ad revenue, but how can you promote affiliate products? Well, this is where you have to get a little bit creative. And since this is a less competitive niche, because you can really do this around any state or big city, is exactly what this guy does. What he does to make, you know, most of his money is he's basically partnering with local real estate agents, because what do you know? He has tons and tons and tons of leads who are thinking about moving to Arizona. And what do people need when they move? They need a real estate agent. They need a house to live in. So he's getting all kinds of leads to local real estate agents. He can also get all kinds of customers to local businesses. He can make a whole, you know, maybe he can make a video on the top 7 restaurants in Arizona, right? And each of those restaurants that he features in that video, because a lot of these videos are getting over 100,000 views, right? Each of those restaurants would be willing to pay him, you know, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to be featured in that video, because it's going to bring them all kinds of new customers. And we can see, if we go to the description of his videos, right, you can see contact Phoenix area realtor, and you can see the link is to the realtor here. So this is probably a unique tracking link that kind of tracks if the leads or the customers actually came from him. And I guarantee you he's making big bucks from this, because the hardest part about being a real estate agent and making a lot of money as a real estate agent is getting leads, right? And if you can send those realtors leads, they're going to pay you big commission rates on all the homes they sell that actually came from you. So this niche has a massive potential. Maybe you're in a smaller country, you can do that. Maybe you're in a big city, you can do that. Or maybe you're just in a specific state, you can do that. Get creative, think about how you can do this. But anyways, this has massive potential. All right, so the fourth niche to go into is going to be something where there's a lot of different sub niches you can do this in. And this is basically just picking a side hustle that's online, right, on the internet, and document yourself doing it. And this is how I actually started my YouTube channel, funny enough. When I first started this YouTube channel, I was basically just documenting my process around Amazon FBA, because that's what I was doing at the time. At the time, I was making around $500 to $1,000 per month selling products on Amazon. So I decided to document myself, showing people how to do Amazon, what I was doing. And you know, the way you're going to make money in this niche is if you document yourself doing social media marketing, doing Amazon FBA, doing drop shipping, or maybe you're doing a blog, right? Whatever it is, you can document yourself doing that. And then once you start getting results, once you start making money, once people start asking you, hey, where can I learn this kind of stuff? Where did you learn? Right? You can start being an affiliate for the course you took to learn how to do Amazon FBA, or the course you took to learn how to do social media marketing for clients, right? And again, this is actually how I made my first $10,000 in affiliate commissions ever. You can see this video right here. I made a review on this Amazon course that I took, right? Because that's the side hustle I was documenting myself doing. As you can see, this video got 4.6 thousand views, and this 2-minute video alone made me over $10,000 in affiliate commissions. It was my first $10,000 I ever made in affiliate marketing. All right, so the next niche is gonna kind of take me back to the last one where I said, you know, document yourself doing a side hustle, right? That's one of the most important tips I can give you as an affiliate marketer. That's how you're gonna be the most authentic and really make the most amount of sales, is document yourself in that niche. Document yourself using the actual product. And if you're documenting yourself doing that, it makes it a lot easier to not only come up with content, but also everyone who sees it sees that you actually use the product and then they want to go and buy it for themselves, right? So anyways, this niche is gonna be the VR niche. Now, this niche, I didn't even know it existed until a couple weeks ago. I was literally just scrolling on TikTok one night and I came across this guy, and the video I saw had like 20 million views, and I took a look at, you know, some of his content. And if we just watch this one, for example, has 136,000 views. You can see he's got the full VR setup where he can actually walk on it. He has, you know, the controllers, the headset, the earphones, right? Everything. You can actually see what he's doing in the game. And obviously all this setup, right? This is going to cost a lot of money. So if you're on a budget, this probably isn't the best niche to go into, but you can start off just using the Oculus, right? You can get them for a couple $100 and you can document yourself doing it, showing the game, and you can eventually work your way up to getting a machine like this where you can promote this and be an affiliate for this kind of stuff, right? And again, these videos are getting millions and millions of views. As you can see, it has 1.1 million followers. And if you look at the link in the description, as you can see, he's an affiliate for all the different things he's using, all the different setup he's using in his videos, right? So I guarantee you this guy alone is making a massive amount of money in affiliate commissions just by playing games in VR all day. So if that's not easy money, then I don't know what is. All right, next niche is for those of you that like to hustle, you like to put in the work, and this is gonna be something where you're gonna be doing Uber Eats or food delivery apps, and you're gonna be, again, documenting yourself doing it, right? There's a common theme with all this. You're gonna document yourself doing it. So this guy, he basically documents himself every day doing Uber Eats, doing DoorDash, and he basically just shows how much he made every single day. And he actually did a video series where he was working in delivery every day for 365 days. So he kind of just shows the process every single day, and then he shows how many hours he worked. And lastly, he shows how much money he makes. And then at the end of this video, he has a call to action saying sign up to Uber Eats below or whatever like that. So as you can see, if you click the link in this bio, all of these links are affiliate links, and he'll actually get a sign up bonus if you sign up to DoorDash through his link, or if you sign up to Uber Eats or Instacart through his link. So the craziest part about this is I think this kid probably makes around $3,000 to $4,000 per month doing food delivery full time, but I guarantee you he's making more just from the sign up bonuses, just from the affiliate commissions he's getting from all the people signing up to DoorDash and Uber Eats through his affiliate links. So he's probably making around 6 figures just from combining these two hustles alone. All right, so the last niche I want to show you guys is for those of you that like to just set it and forget it. You like the idea of just putting a bunch of work into something once, right, and letting it bring you in views, traffic, leads, sales for months, if not years to come. So this is a channel I want to show you where they're basically just making, like, this whole entire channel is just around tutorials for digital marketing softwares, right? So you can see they basically they find all kinds of softwares that people use, that digital marketers use, and they make, you know, tutorials around them. So for example, BigCommerce tutorial, Shopify tutorial, Google Ads tutorial, Shopify versus Squarespace. This is an email marketing software, Sendinblue tutorial, another email marketing software, MailChimp tutorial. And really the best part about this niche is all the softwares they're promoting. Most softwares have really good affiliate programs and pay out recurring commissions because they're software, right? It's a subscription based. So most of these softwares all have really good affiliate programs. So that's why it kind of fits in perfect. Plus there's lots of people who are searching in every single month, MailChimp tutorial, Sendinblue tutorial. So a lot of these video topics or all these, you know, different softwares you're promoting, they have a lot of SEO built into them. And that's where you can really start to make a lot of money with these over time because they continue to just get views and views every single month if they're ranked on keywords. So you can see another Squarespace tutorial. We got a Wix tutorial, right? 756,000 views. You got a Webflow tutorial. Squarespace versus WordPress. Shopify versus BigCommerce, right? Canva tutorial. So you can see there's literally all kinds of different ideas because there's so many different softwares out there. This is what I think is one of the best niches to go into in 2022 if you like the idea of setting and forgetting it. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the best affiliate marketing niches to go into for 2022. And real quick before you go, if you're not making a full-time income with affiliate marketing right now and you want to, it's probably because number one, you haven't taken action on the advice I laid out in this video, or number two, you haven't gone through my 5-day affiliate marketing challenge where we walk you through the entire business model of affiliate marketing in just 5 days. And we actually guarantee you'll make your first sale or we'll send you all your money back. Plus right now you can get access to the entire challenge for just $1. So there's no excuses not to get started with this. So anyways, guys, if you do want to learn how to start implementing these niches and how to start making money from them, how to start building your funnel, just click the first link in the description below or just go to this link right here to join my 5-day affiliate marketing challenge. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just drop a like and subscribe if you're new. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I will see you in my next video.